Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Shield Arms S15 magazines for the Glock 43X and 48. Why some people love them, why others have had problems, and why you might want to think twice before using them for concealed carry. These are 15-round magazines designed to increase the Glock 43X from its standard 10-round magazine up to 15 rounds without changing the grip size. Sounds awesome, right? That's a 50% increase in ammo in the same footprint. Here's where things get rough. The factory Glock 43X mag release is polymer, just like most Glock mag releases. But the S15 is a steel magazine. Steel rubbing against plastic every day, every reload, every draw, that's a recipe for wear. Users have reported that the polymer mag release can get chewed up over time. Once that happens, the mag might not lock in properly or may even drop unexpectedly. That's a big problem for something you depend on. Here's my Glock 48 for example. Shield Arms recommends replacing the polymer release with their steel mag release. That solves the wear issue but introduces another problem. Once you switch to a steel release, your OEM Glock mags no longer work properly. They're polymer, so the steel can cause damage and prevent them from locking. So now you're locked into the S15 system. If an S15 mag doesn't run well, or you can't get one, or you experience feeding issues, you're stuck. This is where the debate gets serious. Some shooters love their S15 mags and swear by them. Others report problems, inconsistent feeding, mags not dropping free, last round bolt hold issues, or early wear. For range use, experimentation, or competition, sure, run what you want and see if it works for you. But for concealed carry where your life could depend on your gun, that's where many people draw the line. When it comes to defensive carry, reliability isn't optional. OEM Glock magazines are famously reliable. S15 mags, they can be, but the failure rate across users is significantly higher. Glock's factory 10-round magazine for the 43X are reliable, durable, and designed to work with the polymer mag release. They lock in cleanly, they drop free, they feed consistently, exactly what you want for concealed carry. And sure, it's fewer rounds than the 15, but you gain peace of mind and OEM reliability, which is hard to beat. In my opinion, if you want more rounds, upgrade to a bigger gun. Nowadays, you don't even have to upgrade to a bigger gun. You can get something like the P365, which is almost the exact same size as the 43X, but holds 17 rounds. You can't beat that. SIG literally designed the gun around this magazine. So in the end, the Shield Arms S15 mags are innovative and cool, but they introduce trade-offs. For everyday carry, sticking with OEM Glock mags is the safest and most reliable choice. If capacity is your priority, moving up to a compact double stack or something like the P365 might be the better long-term option. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and drop your experience with S15 mags in the comments below. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.